I'm trying to make this video for about a week, but I've been busy with work and rain. Anyways, I got sent a lawnmower blade to review from a company called Lawn Pros, and as it turns out, it was time for a new blade for my mower, so I guess it just worked out that way in the stars or whatever. So it's actually a pack of 2 for less than what I paid for one originally. So I'm going to show you how to replace it, and then I'm going to mow with it and then give the results at the end. First thing I'm going to do is get some gloves, good thick ones. Unplug the spark plug wire here so there's no accidents. And then I believe this is threaded normal or reverse, I can't remember. But what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, you can use a block of wood to hold the blade still. I don't have a block of wood, so I'm just going to have to use my muscles and my brute strength. This is. Try the traditional way first. This is hard when you're left-handed. Well, that broke it loose. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Alrighty. Don't lose your parts. See how that's curved? You want the inside, the way the blade curves inward, that goes up facing the mower. And basically, you just do a 1-for-1 swap. Like so. Now this is going back. There's 3 holes on these blades. I don't know why. Even the original one that came with the mower had 3 holes. You just want to go for the middle hole. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighties. I've got ratchets and stuff, but make sure I'm not cross-threading anything. Give it a good old snug. Snug-a-dug. Give it some extra oomph. Ooga-doogas. The manual says 60 foot-pounds of torque. I have a torque wrench, but it also says, and this is true because I've replaced these twice, that getting it really, really tight will do the job. And they said, according to the manual, which I will link in the description, says that it's almost impossible to break this bolt. Sorry, I'm paranoid. I don't want my feet to come off today. Alright. I'm gonna go change into some dirty clothes, get the yard knocked out, except, well, I already did this part for this video, and then I'll come back on with probably the same outfit. I'd like to give a big thank you to Lawn Pro, who I mistakenly called Lawn Pros at the beginning for these blades. They perform just like any kind of brand name blade or the original manufacturer brand that you would buy at like Home Depot or I got my mower. This is the Toro 22-inch recycler. The model number is 20377, but this blade is compatible with several of them because several of them use the same blade. I'll have a link to the seller's Amazon page in the description of this video, as well as, like I said, the link to the parts manuals on how the parts should go on. The original manufacturer part number, so you can reference that yourself and save yourself some money by going with other sellers like Lawn Pro. And also the owner's manual, just in case you happen to need that too, because I know I lost my paper one, but I use the digital one when I need to reference stuff for like the oil changes and whatnot. Well, that's going to do it. If you have any more suggestions or ideas for videos that are family friendly, send them on to me. I like to do all kinds of stuff. This is like a creative outlet for me. And I also want to make content that my kids can watch, so that's why I said family friendly. Well, that's it. Thanks, and be good to each other. I'll tell you what, the technology they used to manufacture these blades with is on the cutting edge. Sorry, I had to do it.